Welcome back. So good to see you again. I told you I was going to be posting more, and here I am. Today we're going to do an unboxing of Nick of Time Textiles mystery boxes. Before I get to that, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you already have, thank you so much. And let's get going. I've already unboxed everything. I'm just going to show it all to you. This was a mystery box from Nick of Time that was sweatshirt fabric. Okay. I've already done this sweatshirt fabric before and made several sweatshirts out of it, and it was really great stuff. This is super soft, and it's almost got a heathered look on the inside, but it's a super soft, and it's kind of this melon kind of color, I guess. But I like it a lot. I think I'm gonna make a lot of pretty things out of this. There goes my new puppy I told you about. So I think that's gonna be nice. This one I don't know about. I think it's okay. It's got a little dirty spot on it, which is not unusual when you get this stuff because you always wash it beforehand. It's soft, but not like over the top soft. So it's fine. And this gray one's great. It's very, very, very soft. It's definitely like a really nice quality sweatshirt fabric. And I think we can make something really nice. I may actually have this color already. So I have plenty of it. I am looking forward to, I probably will make myself a jacket or something out of this or out of the other one. But what I'm amazed by with the stuff I get from Nick of Time for the sweatshirt fabrics is how soft they are. So it's just really, really nice stuff. Now the next one, I did colored denim for the fall. And I've done that once before, and they send you 2 yards. And it's the 60-inch wide, so you can do a lot, but like sometimes it's not quite enough to finish a project. So I ordered it again, hoping I would get some of the same colors. And I did on a few of them, which makes me very excited because I can do more with it. Now this first one is like a dark gray. It is a very stiff denim. It almost feels like a canvas. It's so stiff. So I know there's like a barn coat on seam work. There's a couple of other things that might work for this to make it look really nice. This is my favorite. It's like a brushed denim, and it's like a mustardy yellow. And I already have 2 yards of it that they've already sent me. And in fact, they sent me 2 yards and then like a scrap piece that was probably, I don't know, a quarter of a yard. So I know I have plenty to do with this. I really want to make like a denim jacket out of this for myself. Yellow is my favorite. This is like a kind of a tannish denim. It's soft. It's really nice. But again, I have 2 yards of it. And then I have some more duplicates. This lime green, which I know is crazy color, but I have 2 other yards of it. So again, especially in the spring, this color could look nice as some kind of a cropped jacket or just something fun to wear, you know? And then this blue. I already have some of this as well. So another 2 yards of this really brilliant blue color. I'm thinking about, there's a skirt from Simplicity that I may make from this, but I'll get back later with some ideas about all these fabrics. If you have some ideas, let me know down below. But I think it was a pretty good little haul of stuff, and I think I'll definitely make some great projects out of it, and I'll keep everybody posted on that. So thanks again for tuning in. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to like and subscribe.